Hi, my name's Emerson here at Alien Attorney, and we just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to update your address with immigration. So you've changed addresses, and now it's time to update your address with the USCIS as well as the USPS, the United States Postal Service. Now it's important to note that immigration, just like every other government organization, is subject to human error, which means they might make mistakes and you might not receive important notifications about your case. So we recommend not changing addresses unless absolutely necessary until your immigration application is complete. If you do have to change addresses, it's always a good idea to keep close track of your case status online. You can always Google USCIS check case status and enter the receipt number found on your receipt notice that starts with 3 letters and check status for the most up-to-date status on your case. You can also set up a USCIS online account for the most up-to-date notifications about your case. So now it's time to change your address. Go ahead and Google AR11 USCIS change of address and click on the Aliens change of address card. We're going to be filing online. And if your case is still pending with immigration, we're going to select yes. Now, it's important to note that there are spaces for multiple forms and multiple receipt notices and numbers. So if you received more than one receipt notice, you need to enter the receipt number from each of those notices. This is very important because we need to update the address for every application currently pending with immigration. So you'll see the case type here is I-485 and the receipt number here. So we will enter this in here. I-485 generally will be family-based, and the receipt number. Enter in the zip code that you used when you filed initially, and enter in your name or the name found on the receipt notice. Go ahead and enter your birthday and your A number. The A number is also found on the receipt notice under USCIS alien number. So scroll down and you'll go ahead and enter in your old address. Make sure that was the address that you used when you initially filed. And then you'll go ahead and enter in the new address. This is where you're moving to. And if your new address will be also the address where you want to receive mail, you'll select mailing address same as new address above. If it's different, then select different from new address and enter in your mailing address there. And they will confirm with USPS to make sure the address is correct. And then you'll want to enter in the email address where they're going to send a confirmation email. If you're filling this out yourself, you'll go ahead and select applicant or petitioner, enter in the security characters, select a box, providing your electronic signature, and submit. And there you should get a confirmation email with this entire form confirming that you have changed your address with immigration. And make sure you did it for every single receipt notice that you received. So next, it's time to change your address with USPS. So just Google USPS change of address, and it should bring you to this form here. So you can go ahead and select you are an individual. You can go ahead and enter in your name as well as your email address here. And pretty much the same process. You can enter in your phone number. Whether or not you're planning on returning to your old address in 6 months or less, and go ahead and select the date when you want to start receiving mail at the new address. And they're going to actually forward mail from your old address to your new address for a selected period of time. So enter in your old address, and then enter in your new address. And then you can go ahead and complete that form. So just make sure to change your address with both the USCIS as well as the USPS. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. And thank you very much for watching.